Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. All of my videos are for inspirational purposes only. Today I'm going to make chard pakoras. Spinach and chard are from the same family. I prefer to grow chard more than the spinach because of its beautiful color and big leaf. I find it tastes better than spinach too. Supermarket doesn't sell chard because it doesn't have very good shelf life. If you want to eat chard, you'll have to grow it by yourself. But farmers market sell chard. If you like to go to farmers market, you will get chard from the local growers. After washing the chard very well, I chopped it up and I'll put all the ingredients in the description box, inshallah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والسماء والطارق.
By the sky and the night comer.
وما أدراك ما الطارق.
And what can make you know what is the night comer?
النجم الثاقب.
It is the piercing star.
إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ.
There is no soul but that it has over it a protector.
فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق.
So let man observe from what he was created.
خلق من ماء دافق.
He was created from a fluid ejected,
يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب.
emerging from between the backbone and the ribs.
إنه على رجعه لقادر.
Indeed, Allah, to return him to life, is able.
يوم تبلى السرائر.
The day when secrets will be put on trial.
فما له من قوة ولا ناصر.
Then man will have no power or any helper.
والسماء ذات الرجع.
By the sky which returns rain,
والأرض ذات الصدع.
and by the earth which cracks open.
إنه لقول فصل.
Indeed, the Quran is a decisive statement,
وما هو بالهزل.
and it is not amusement.
إنهم يكيدون كيدا.
Indeed, they are planning a plan,
وأكيد كيدا.
but I am planning a plan.
فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا.
So allow time for the disbelievers. Leave them a while.
Chard pakora is ready. This pakora can be made with any type of leafy vegetables. I grow lots of leafy vegetables in my garden and always try to find ways how to use it in the kitchen. So I make a few varieties of pakoras because you cannot just eat leaf all the time, can you? Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you would like to see more of my videos, inshallah. See you next time, inshallah.